Hello, welcome back to our channel Church Media Creative. My name is Olu, and in today's tutorial I will be teaching you how to fix missing DLL file on your software. Let's dive right in. When you open your software and you see a missing DLL error, here are the most common causes: faulty uninstalls, malware infection that deletes or corrupts files, accidental deletion by cleaning tools. Other causes include broken Windows registry entries, system file corruption, or conflict from outdated software. Now, missing DLL simply means dynamic link library. Let's look at how to fix it. In this tutorial, we will be fixing the missing file d3dx9_41.dll. The method we'll be using is to replace the DLL file in the root folder. Other fixes you can try include reinstalling the application. Often the application will repair or replace the DLL during reinstallation. Running system file checker. Use the command on the screen in command prompt to repair corrupted system files. Updating Windows. This can restore missing system DLLs. Scanning for malware. Run a full system scan to ensure viruses haven't removed files. For this tutorial, since we are fixing d3dx9_41.dll, I'll leave a download link in the description below. That way, you won't need to search for it yourself. But if it's a different DLL file, simply search and download it as I am demonstrating. Open your browser, type the missing DLL file name, for example, d3dx9_41.dll, followed by free download. Then enter. Using the site dll-box.com, scroll down and locate the download button. Click on it and wait for the file to download completely. Open download folder in File Explorer. If the file comes in zip format, use WinRAR, link in the description. Highlight all the files with Ctrl A, right click and copy them. For convenience, paste them onto your desktop. For installation instruction, search how to install missing DLL file name in your browser. But for d3dx9_41.dll, here is what you do. Open File Manager by clicking the Windows logo and typing File Manager. Go to local disk C, Windows, XYXWOW64. Copy and paste or drag and drop the DLL file into XYXWOW64 folder. Now run the software again. The error should be gone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. For inquiries or assistance, leave a comment in the description below. See you in our next video.